Hello YouTube, my name is Matt and welcome to my tech channel. The premise of this channel is to show people how to use certain aspects of technology. I know using technology can sometimes be a challenge, so hopefully my many tutorials can help you along the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as it helps out this channel tremendously. Let's get started with today's video on how to create a Gmail email account. For today's video, I'll be using the Microsoft Edge browser. You can use whatever browser you're most comfortable with. You can use Chrome, you can use Internet Explorer, you can use Firefox. So I'll just jump right into Microsoft Edge. Okay, in the address bar here, you're going to type www.google.com and hit enter on your keyboard. All right, so once you're on the Google homepage, at the top right-hand corner, you're going to see a blue square with the word sign in. Click on that button. Then here you're going to be presented with a Google sign-in page. We want to create an account, and you would want to click for myself. To manage my business would probably obviously be for an email for a business. We'll just do for myself, personal email. And at this page, Google just wants you to enter some basic information. So just put your first name, put your last name. I'm just going to put my last initial. And then here in the username, think of something that you would want as your email address. So I'm going to put something. So it's going to be your username at Gmail. So your email is this full-on username at gmail.com. So after that, make a password. And then from here, hit next. And then Google just wants you to verify your phone number. So they're making sure it's really you who's setting up this email. So put in your phone number and then hit next. So Google's going to send you a text message with a security code and a verification code. So on your phone, grab the code that was just sent to you and type it in. And then hit verify. You can also have Google call you if you didn't want to do the text message option, but I did, so I got a text. I hit verify. Okay, so you can keep your phone number there if you like, just in case you get locked out of your account and you need to reset your password. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to delete my number. It is optional. You can also enter a recovery email address if you had another one. Like same thing with the phone number. If you got locked out of Google, forget your password, Google will email you recovery instructions to your other email address. This is optional. I'm going to leave that blank. From here, just enter your birthday. And enter your gender. You can pick whatever you want. I'm just going to pick male for now. I'm going to hit next. Here's Google's privacy terms and conditions. You can read through it. It just basically says how Google processes your data, how they store your information, like your name, email address, and telephone number. And it also tells you, you're in control with your account settings and things like that nature. So I'm just going to hit I agree. All right, so that's basically it. That's how you created Gmail. So right now, if you created this on a personal computer, you're automatically signed in. So right here it has an M, that's for my first name, which is Matt. And then to your left, it says Gmail. If you click Gmail, you'll be presented with this welcome email by Google, simple, smart, and secure page. Just hit next. And then choose a view. I would leave it on default, but you can mess around with the settings and see what is more comfortable for you. You could do comfortable, you could do compact. I'm going to leave it on default. And yeah, so right here, you're in your inbox. So any emails that come through will be populated right here. So when you give out your email address, this is where emails will be coming through in your inbox, obviously. So if we click off of the browser, if we click off Edge browser, and let's just go back in, and we'll type www.google.com. Like I said, you're automatically signed, like you're stayed signed in, I guess is that the proper. You're logged in automatically. That's better. So yeah, so I just advise you, if you create an email, to do this on a personal desktop or laptop. And like I said, just click Gmail to access all your emails that are coming through. I already have an email right now from Google telling me to finish up my Google account. I'm just going to ignore that for now. Maybe I'll do that in another video. But yeah, so that's how you create, sorry about that. That's how you create an email address. If you created this on a public computer, I would definitely sign out. So if you click the M or whatever your first name is at the top right hand corner, hit sign out. And then from here, just remove an account and click this little circle with the line through it. And it just asks you, do you want to remove your account? Just say yes, remove. That's for people who create their Gmail on a public computer, maybe a library, maybe in a computer lab, somewhere that's like not in their house, a work computer, things like that. So that's how you create a Gmail. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Give this video a like, subscribe for more content, and I will see you on the next one. Later.